Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove logged in device from your Snapchat account. If you are ever logged in on someone else's phone or just want to boost your account security, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in the profile interface, select or tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here in the settings, you have to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. You can see Logout option. Tap on it and tap on Logout. And that's it. Removing logged in device from Snapchat account is quick and easy, and it's a great way to stay in control of your account security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.